Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Before we continue to my video, please press like, subscribe and feel free to comment below. Thank you. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you stay healthy at this pandemic COVID-19. Well, today I'm going to share to you my recipe fried spiral sardine with red chili. Let's check out the ingredients. Well guys, these are the ingredients. 500 gram spiral, 450 gram canned sardine, 1/4 cup tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, 1 medium-sized onion, garlic, 4 red chili, spring onion, and kaffir lime leaf. We slice the onion, cut the red chili open and take the seed. And we cut it slice. If you like to be spicy, you can use bird eye chili. We cut the garlic, and we cut onion spring stems separately. We boil water, add pinch salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, once the water already boiled, we pour the spiral. Stir it to avoid sticking together. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes on big flame. We strain it and rinse it. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil until it's very hot. Put onion, garlic, until fragrance. Add in sardine, with tamarind paste. Spring onion stem and red chili. Stir it well. We cook the sardine about 3 to 5 minutes in medium flame. Meanwhile, we cut the spring onions leaf and kaffir leaf. After 5 minutes later, add in tomato sauce, and add water. Mix it little bit. Then we add in spiral. Mix it well, about 30 seconds, and turn off the flame. Lastly, we sprinkle spring onion and shredded Kaffir lime leaf over the spiral and serve. Well friends, here are my recipe for fried spiral sardine with red chili. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, subscribe and share my video. Please try this at home. Thank you. See you next time in the next video. Bye.